morning, everyone. I just made it to work here now, and it's a little bit drizzly, but on the bicycle ride in to work, it wasn't too bad. It was nice and cool, and just getting ready and doing my pre-trip and getting used to the new truck. That is your windshield wiper, not that. Reach down this morning first thing, turn on the jake brake button or switch, and just have to laugh to myself. If you can't laugh at yourself, what good are you? Anyway, I love you, and I'm going to say my prayers this morning and include you in it, and I pray that God blesses you today in all that you do. You have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye-bye.